Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie from Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, I apologize for the small screen right now. It's just I'm doing this from my phone, so I don't want to hold it long ways when I have to look for the people to see if they're subscribed to me, because it's harder for me to scroll down and find that. So, all right, good luck, everybody. Let's see who we have here for the first one. Hey, Michael McReynolds. All right, Michael, you're lucky winner number one, buddy. So, I'll write these down. Write it down. All right. Okay, we got Michael. All right, Michael. We're gonna go for another one. And then if I go and check and see that they're not subscribed, then I'll come back and repick. Okay, guys. So, and I'll let you know. I guess I could just look right now. I know Michael's subscribed. Okay. Let's just scroll down. I'll just do this now. Okay, see, Michael's subscribed. So we got the first one. So Michael's good to go there. Oh, apologize. There we go. Okay. All right, next one here. We got Midlife Syndrome. Let's see what that... Okay, let's see if I'm... All right, there I am. All right, guys. All right, so I'm going to write this down. Number 2 is Midlife Syndrome. Okay, got that. Okay. All right, let's go for number 3 here. Donnie Barnett. Let's take a look, Donnie. Good name, Donnie. All right, buddy. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully you are in the U.S. too, because when you guys send me your info, I want you guys to send it to me through the VIA messaging system on YouTube, where you contact me on a personal message. There I am. Okay, so we got winner number 3 here. So congratulations, Donnie. Let me write you down here, and you spell your name the same way I do. Awesome. A lot of people always put a Y on mine. All right, so we got Donnie there. Who's next? Audrey. Okay, let's see. All right, I hope you have a subscription list. Oh, there you go. Yes, you do. Hopefully it's just right here. Okay, we're scrolling through here. Apologize, guys, if it takes too long. I will go and fast forward through this part, but I have to show you guys that they're subscribed. Hopefully it shows up pretty quick here. My phone's slow, as you can see right there. It hesitates a lot. So let's take a look. Okay. I got a lot of subscriptions. Oh, I'm not on there. That's a bummer. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way back, guys, just to be fair. In case I missed myself here, but I recognize my emblem. See, sometimes stuff like that, like drone pulls, throws me off because I see the red like the flames of my thumbnail, but I am not seeing me at all. I'm gonna go through here. I even restart. No, that's it. I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to pass you up. You didn't subscribe. You just asked for a drone, and that was it. So, Audrey, I'm gonna have to pass you up. I apologize, but let's move on. Ronald, let's see. Wait, God bless you too, brother. Let's take a look, Ronald. Okay, I hope you have a subscription list. You do. It's open. Let's see if hopefully I'll be right on here. There I am. Awesome. Thanks, Ronald. Okay, let me write down Ronald here. He's number 4. Okay, Ronald. All right. Sorry it's taking so long, guys. Like I said, you guys don't have to watch all this. I'll leave it in the descriptions so that way you guys can see who you are. I just want to show this in case people want to see. All right, let's look for number 5. We got Lance Glover. Let's take a look, Lance. Let's see if you're, yep, there I am. Perfect, Lance. Perfect. All right. Number 5, Lance Glover. Okay. All right, guys, let's go for number 6 here. Coast to Coast Drones, Bill. I know Bill's a subscriber, so all right. So we got Coast to Coast. I'm writing you down, Bill. Bill is a subscriber, guys. And I'll show you just so you can see. All right, channel. Keeps it open. There I am, guys. All right. I already knew that. Let me go for number 7 now. All right. Sorry, I'm just writing this down. Okay. Hey, Scott. Right on. We got Scott. I'm going to go ahead and write him down because I already know he subscribed to me because we follow each other pretty darn close. Right on, Scott. I'm so glad you got this, buddy. Very nice guy right here, too, guys. You have to check him out. Check out his channel. He's got some good little stuff on there, too. I'm going to go to his channel list just so you guys could see. There I am. Okay. All right. Let's look for number 8 now, guys. Hey, Dronography Meditation. Yes, Oliver. That is so awesome, brother. I'm so glad you won. Another nice guy. Another great follower. Follows my channel. I follow his. Pretty cool. I'm writing this down because I know I'll look on his list and he's already there. But I just want to write it down so I don't forget because I want to be able to send these out. So I want you guys to make sure you go and please, write me your address personally. Like Oliver, just you can write me Messenger, buddy. We've been friends for a long time. And you guys can see I'm doing the generator. I'm not picking people as a favoritism. It's a generator, picks them out. So like for Oliver, you can message me, because I know who you are. And I'll know it's your messenger, but if you want, you could still just write me on YouTube on the personal page there. But I just got to show everybody that you're subscribed to me. So let me just scroll through because I know you got a lot too. You have a lot of people you follow as well. Mine, I think I got like in the thousands, so I follow a lot of people, and so I definitely know. There I am. So I definitely know how the list goes. All right, guys, let's look for number 9. We're getting closer. Number 9, Ronald. I think that's the one. That's the one we just picked. All right, let me look on the list. Yeah, he's number 4 winner, so we're gonna have to pass on Ronald. You already won once. Okay, bingo. 4063. Let's see what this is about. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to channel. Okay, let's see if I'm on here. All right, that took a little while, but bingo. All right, let me write this down. All right, let me write this down. Bingo 403. Okay, let's go for number 10, guys, and final. Walker Outdoors. Wow, that's pretty cool. We will write that down. Walker Outdoors, because I know we follow each other. We're both subscribed to each other. I know that because we follow each other's channel pretty closely. All right, let's take a look so you guys could see on Mike here. He's a good guy. I just want to show you guys that we are subscribed to each other. All right. There I am. Okay, guys. Awesome. There's all 10 of you. Okay. I'm going to leave all your guys' names in the descriptions so that way you could see that that you guys did win. And, get a hold of me on the YouTube direct messages there. I believe you can find it on the About page. So just please leave me your shipping info. And hopefully we can get that out to you and sent out by the 11th. So if you guys can please get all that information into me so I can send it to Cheerwing and Simstore so they get it sent out to you guys, okay? So I want to thank everybody, and eventually here in the near future, so please guys don't go away, don't unsub, because I'm going to have more giveaways to come. We're going to do international next, guys, okay? So for all those who are international or that are watching this now, stay tuned, guys, because there will be a giveaway for everybody throughout the world here, so that'll be pretty nice. So it'll be probably a lot bigger. It won't be little drones. It'll probably be a bigger prize. So, all right, guys. Thanks a lot for everybody watching and all your support. Thank you, Cheerwing and Simstore, for providing these drones. And guys, like always, God bless. Cheers and happy flying.